So here's a little bit of help with question 3. Admittedly, it's not come out particularly clear, as you can see it perhaps on the screen at the moment. So Angela is playing a game with 2 fair dice. She rolls both dice and wins a point for each die that lands on a multiple of 3. Complete the tree diagram in which M stands for multiple of 3. So I'm just going to use a little bit of colour to show you the blue ones on the top branches are all M for multiple of 3. Okay, and then on the bottom branches, you'll hopefully see that it's got an M with a little apostrophe on it. Okay, so these ones here, they mean not a multiple of 3. Okay, so I'm going to write that up here for you. So M with the apostrophe is not a multiple of 3. And therefore, we should be hopefully able to fill in all of the branches. So therefore, on a dice, we've got the 6 potential outcomes. Multiples of 3 are anything in the 3 times table, so that would be 3 and 6. So there's a 2 in 6 chance of getting a multiple of 3, and therefore a 4 in 6 chance of not getting a multiple of 3. They can be simplified to give you a third and 2/3. That's absolutely fine. If not, you can leave it in that format because it's still easy to deal with. Okay, so therefore a multiple of 3 again will be 2/6, and a multiple of 3 will, sorry, not a multiple of 3 would be 4/6, and it's going to repeat down the bottom. Then you want to calculate your probabilities. So remember, at the start of the tree, in the middle, you want to make sure you've got your times, and then you want your add on the right-hand side, and you want to start calculating your probabilities. So the probability of getting a multiple of 3, and then a multiple of 3 will be 2/6 multiplied by 2/6. Remember, that's going to be 2 times 2, which is 4, over 6 times 6, which is 36. And you can simplify if you want to, but there's no requirement at this point. But you may notice the answers are a simplified version. So if you simplify and check yours, that will come out at 1/9. Okay, your next one then is a multiple of 3 and not a multiple of 3. So it's got the apostrophe. So it's going to be the 2/6 multiplied by the 4/6. 2 times 4 gives me 8, over 6 times 6 gives me 36. Okay, and I'm going to let you carry on from there. Then you can work out the answers to the questions. So it says that she wins a point for each time she gets a multiple of 3. So anything with an M is going to be 1 point. Anything with 2 M's will be 2 points. Okay, anything with an M and apostrophe, that's worth 0 points. So just think about which ones would be worth 2 points, which ones would be at least 1, so that means it could be a 1 or a 2 pointer, and then which ones would score no points, so that would be the M apostrophe, M apostrophe. Okay, let me know if you've got any further